Good day, everyone. Okay, two knives today. Big knives. These are special type of patterns that I make occasionally, reminiscent of the old frontier days, buffalo hunters, trappers, the Revenant type movie, that type of thing. Anyway, these aren't just for hunting; they're more of a well, they're a defensive knife as well. That would have been used in that time. Really big knife, big handles. Now, as you can see, this isn't my normal steel that I use. I have a lot of people asking about this. They didn't quite understand what that was. These are made from Horseshoe rasps, actually older ones. It's an incredibly good steel, but it takes a little bit extra time to get it to the point where I want it to be, and it is a file to begin with, so it's hard to start with. It's very hard, and it's actually brittle. If you drop that file on the ground, it would break. So you have to normalize it. You have to anneal it. Quite a few more steps involved, but ultimately, it's a very high carbon steel, approximately 1095, and holds an outstanding edge, and it's tough. I've done some torture tests on these. On pieces of these, and it just it really holds up very well. Anyway, that one, this one, both of these actually have a particularly nice piece of gunstock tiger maple on this. Very highly figured. Those leveless bolts, we've talked about that in the past too, and a lanyard hole. Really cool knife. These are, like I said, defensive knives. Back in the day, you know, they depended a lot on their knives. Both of these, by the way, are spoken for. Again, sorry about that, but the best way to get a knife from me is either join my wait list, which is the preferred method there. I do have quite a few, upwards of 200 people now on the wait list, and you can call me at the shop also, but there is a long wait, so sorry, but it's just myself here. Anyway, the second one, this one right here. Now, just recently I put up a mid-size version of this one. It's the Dark Horseman. This is the full-size Dark Horseman. Okay, finger grooves, contoured, a very heavily swedged blade right there, as you can see. This one, of course, also is made from that horseshoe rasp. Gives it a nice look. It's that texture there. And again, this one was meant for both of them, actually, for very heavy use. Any kind of survival type thing back in the day when they needed their knives for everything. And again, still the same today. It's just an all-purpose heavy-duty knife. Not so much, well, hunters can still use them obviously to skin, but again, it's a really big knife for the bushcraft guys and survivalists, as well as, again, you know, defensive knife. Okay, so that's about it for these. Oh, I gotta show you that wood just one more time there. Look at the grain on that wood. These again are special pieces. I only put that particular piece of wood, and I don't have a lot left of it either, on special knives. So looks like I'll be looking for some more of that soon. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, everybody. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and share the video if you like it. Apparently that's what people do these days. So anyhow, lots more coming, lots more videos coming, lots more new knives also. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again.